Telegram is a popular messaging app that offers various features beyond messaging, including a built-in wallet for cryptocurrency transactions. Telegram Wallet allows users to send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies directly within the app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create a Telegram wallet. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store, your App Store. You have to download the Telegram app. So let me go over to my Play Store right away so I can show you how you can download and install the Telegram app into your phone. You tap on your Play Store. Once your Play Store opens up, you tap on the search bar at the bottom. Then the next step now is to type in Telegram at the top. You can see the search bar right there. Let me tap on it. Then let me type in Telegram real quick. Then you tap on search. So guys, you can see the Telegram right there. Let me tap on it to open it. So guys, now you can see I've installed the Telegram app, so I'm not going to be doing that for the second time. But if you haven't installed the Telegram app, you're going to see where it is written install. Just tap on install. After you've installed it, then you tap on open. So let me open the Telegram app right away. So guys, now you can see the Telegram app is opening. So once your Telegram app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner, the menu icon. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see wallet. You can see it right there. Let me tap on wallet. You can see what's written there, terms of use. What you have to do now is to tick that box right there to agree to the terms of use. So let me tick it. Then let me tap on continue. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. The wallet is loading up. So guys, now you can see the next step, wallet in Telegram made for crypto. So you can use it to buy different types of cryptocurrency. You can also send to a friend, and also it's easy to use. You can see it. So let me tap on let's go down there. Let me tap on let's go. Wow guys, you can see now I've been able now to create a Telegram wallet. You can see my wallet balance right there. So the next step you have to take now is to go over to the Telegram Ton Space. So let me tap on Ton Space at the top. This is where you can be able to create a Ton wallet here in Telegram. You can see what's written there, your Ton Space, securely buy, store, and receive crypto. You can see the wallet for your favorite apps. So let me tap on create new wallet. You can see down there. Let me tap on it. Here's the next step. You can see what's written there, your space is ready. Let's back up to never lose access to your Ton Space. Let me back up manually. So let me tap on the second option, back up manually. So guys, now here is my recovery phrase. So what I'll do now is to write it down and keep it somewhere safe. You can see what's written there. Write down these 24 words in the exact same order and keep them secured. Do not share them with anyone as they are necessary for accessing your assets and Ton Space. So guys, let me go ahead now to write this down and keep it somewhere safe. So do that, do same. I'm done writing down this secret phrase, the recovery phrase. So let me tap on continue. Then what I'm asked now is to input seed phrase number 9, 11, and 20. You can see what's written there, test time. Let's check that you wrote them down correctly. Please enter the words 9, 11, and 20. So let me go ahead to input it like I said. Right there you can see I've inputted the words for 9, 11, and 20. So let me tap next. Can see it's loading. Wow guys, can see wallet successfully backed up. You can find your recovery phrase in the wallet settings. So let me tap on view Ton Space. Wow guys, can see here's my Ton Space wallet balance. You can see it's updating. Let's wait a few seconds. It's going to open up. I think my network is bad. It's still loading. Wow guys, can see it has opened up. So now this is my Ton Space balance. Let me go back now. This is my wallet. You can see my wallet balance. So this is for every other cryptocurrency. You can use it to store and buy and send to whoever I want to send to. Then for the Ton Space, this is specifically for the Ton coin, for Ton and every other decentralized app on Telegram that uses Ton coin. So guys, this is how I can be able to create a Telegram wallet, and I believe this was helpful to you. Do it to like and also subscribe. Bye.